lucky enough to work on some of the best land in the country. And when we were asked to come to country New South Wales and meet our clients, what we discovered was enormous energy, enterprise, independence, all of those key ingredients the client needs to create something special. And that was definitely the case here. So the more dramatic the land, the more dramatic the architecture. They just go hand in hand with one another. And if you've got a resourceful client, then the combination's powerful. This building stretches out, it cantilevers out into space, over this residential garden below, which is the link between the Botanic Gardens and then the mountains that surround this beautiful country town. I haven't explained that my client's a builder, and a very good builder. So for an architect and interior designers to work with such an accomplished builder was a privilege, really. There's a lovely personality of this house that I think reflects the fact that our client has nurtured all the relationships that have created this place. We often say what a delight it would be if we could challenge your senses and you had a sensory experience living within the residences that we designed with you. And a stair is a piece of sculpture. Its movement and its shape and form creates drama. We study other designers' work, and it's a joyous experience because we discover great ideas that we learn from and embody within our work. And an example of these modernist design ideas are the large sheets of glass, which were first used in the Barcelona Pavilion and the Farnsworth Pavilion, and later by Philip Johnson in the Glass House. And those two designers, Mies van der Rohe and Philip Johnson, knew that to be one with the landscape, you needed to immerse yourself in the landscape while secure within the building that's been designed. And it's the windows that'll allow this to happen. In addition to the modernist work that influences us, we're really interested in traditional architecture, and we've learned to balance the amount of wall and window. The wall's essential to cocoon you, to make you feel safe and secure and protected within the interior. When the design studio designs the architecture and the interior and then goes forward with our clients and chooses all the furniture and artwork and things like that, what you end up with is a single personality. There's no tension between the two. They flow. It's a single kind of voice. It's sophisticated, it's cool, but it's understated at the same time. I think it really does reflect our client. And honestly, I think that's our responsibility as designers, to create a place where our clients belong.